Hello, New School Beyblade here, and today I'm doing episode 2 of the series, 4-part mini-series. This is the last one that you'll be seeing Air Knight without Expand, and I'm using Achilles, shows the Achilles in this one. So yeah, let's get into it, shall we? Best of 3 versus 2. One zero. Wow. 2-0. Probably the final battle. I'll count that. Two. Okay. 2-2. I'll count that one. 2-2 still. And Achilles wins this one, but loses in the anime. Hope you guys like this video. Like, comment, and subscribe for more videos like this. And goodbye.